Okay. Now, do you know what are we going to do today?
Yes.
What?
Nouns.
Today our topic is
Nouns.
nouns. First, we will write the date. Okay. What is the date today, children?
28th of February.
Okay. How are we writing the date?
Today is
Today is
28th
28th
Sunday
Yes.
of February.
February 21. Okay. Okay. Now, what is our lesson?
Nouns.
Nouns. Nouns. Do you all know what are nouns?
Yes.
What are nouns?
Naming words. Nouns are naming words.
Very good. Nouns are
Naming
naming
words.
words. Can you all tell me some examples?
Yes.
What? Now,
Nouns.
can you see this chart in the board?
Yes.
We can separate the nouns into how many columns?
4 columns.
Mainly, we can separate into
4 columns.
4 columns. What are they? First one, Inosh, tell me.
Names of people.
Names of people. Second one, Bindu, tell me.
Names of place.
Third one, Inosh.
Names of animals.
Fourth one,
Names of things.
things. Okay, now first I'll write a definition here. Nouns are what? Nouns are
Naming words.
Naming words. Very good. Okay. Now when you write in your writing book, first you should write the date. Then after that, write the topic, and write the definition. Why you should put a star mark before writing that. Okay. And you should keep in mind the definition of nouns. Okay. So, shall we start writing now?
Yes.
Can you?
Yes.
Okay, start. Write properly. Don't make any spelling mistakes. Why is this? What is this T? I'm asking what is this T? Write the T properly. Children, hurry up and write. N-O-U-N-S. Not nouns, it's nouns. Put a star mark. You put a star mark and write the definition. Once again, children, tell me what are nouns?
Naming words. Nouns are naming words.
Tell it properly. Nouns are naming words. Okay. N-A-M-I-N-G. You drop E when you write N-I-N-G. Okay. Now, can you see that I have separated the nouns into 4 columns? Yes. You all know. Can you tell me what are the 4 columns without looking at the board?
Names of people.
Yes.
Names of Animals, names of things, names of places.
Places. Very good. When we write it as names of people. We write it first. Then names of places. Then names of animals. And finally, at last, we write
Things.
names of things. Okay. Now, can you all tell me, each one have to tell me 5 examples for each column. Okay. Okay. Binaru, tell me 5 names of people. Tell me.
Doctor,
First, stand up. Then,
doctor,
yes, doctor,
postman,
postman,
nurse,
nurse,
father,
father. Another one is neither. Another noun,
mother.
mother. Okay, your nouns are names of persons or people are correct. But you can write Enosh, Metnuller, you can write Pat, Mala, you can write names of people. That means not only the procession, but also the names also you can write. Okay, next one, Enosh. Tell me names 5 places, examples. So stand up with it.
House,
House, okay. What else? House, one, okay. What else?
buildings,
Buildings, okay. What else?
hospital,
A hospital.
supermarket,
Supermarket. Then the one. Tell me one.
shops,
Shops. Okay. You told me only the buildings. Now hospital you have a building there, but we can take Nigambo, Colombo, Gampaha, Chilau. These are also belongs to the group names of places. And keep in mind name of a country, name of a city, name of a village, town. These are belongs to nouns under the category names of places. Okay? Did you understand?
yes,
Sure? Then can you tell me some examples for names of animals?
elephant,
Elephant.
dog,
Dog. Elephant, cat, dog. What else?
crocodile,
Vaima. Horse. Then what else? One example.
lion,
Lion. Okay. Now there are, if you can say, there is a huge list that you can say, right? Then Enosh, tell me final. Name 5 things. Example for
flower vase,
a flower vase. Okay.
book,
Book,
pencil,
pencil.
uh,
Tell me something big now. Book, pencil. Grade 1, 2 children also tell me the answer. I am asking something big. Things you can see. Which one's name?
blackboard, whiteboard,
Whiteboard. Okay. What else?
table,
Cupboard.
fridge,
Fridge. In English, do you call it as fridge?
refrigerator,
Refrigerator. Very good. What else?
bed,
Bed. Okay. Now did you tell me 5?
Yes.
Or more than 5?
more than,
More than 5. Okay. Now did you all understand?
yes,
Now here see, there are some pictures. This is some kind of a group work. Okay. Some words. Words means they are the names of people, places, animals, things, anything. Okay. I do not know. I have jumbled them all together.
okay,
Earlier I had them separately, but now I am going to give you a small task. Okay? I have jumbled all the words together. Now you are the one who have to separate them into 4 columns. Can you all separate that?
yes,
Yes. Okay. I will give you. Separate. You should separate. In your table, take spaces. Take space. And now keep names of people in one side. names of animals, places and things separately. Separate them. You know, separate. No, no. I didn't tell you to write anything. Separate these words. Separate. Now what is this? Cow means
Animal.
animal. Then keep it here.
Okay.
Next.
No.
Do you understand?
Yes, yes.
Yes. What's that?
Church.
Church belongs to animals, no, Buddha?
No.
Then?
Things. No. Places.
Ah, very good. Places. Separate it like that. Keep here.
What is this thing?
What is that? Cinema. What is that? Cinema means what? The place you go to see films? Cinema. Cinema, theatre, cinema. Then? Finish.
Yes.
Have you separated?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Can you read me the words all together?
Okay.
The words you have. Wait. Putha, wait. I will take two of yours. And two give to him. Okay. Now read me the things.
Hospital. School.
Yes.
Church.
Church. Tell me. The hospital, school and church belongs to which group?
Names of places.
Or people?
Places.
Places. Very good. Next one.
Father.
Teacher. Belongs to
People. Names of people.
people. Okay. Next set of words.
Camel.
Huh?
Dog.
Cow. Belongs to which group?
Animals.
Animals. Okay. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. You read the words you have.
Pen.
Yes.
Ball. Pencil. Eraser. Desk.
To which does those words set belong to?
Names of things.
Names of things. Okay. Next one.
Cinema. Park.
Cinema and park. To which?
Names of places.
This one. Okay. Others?
Boy. Child. Doctor.
Okay. To which?
Names of people.
People. Okay. Now can you all come and paste it on the board?
Okay.
Okay. Be careful when I told you to separate. Once again, you all had jumbled the words again. So now you come front. Jumble. Okay, jumble. Then come front and paste it. Come. Yes, come. What is read me the word first. Okay. Read me the word first.
Park.
What is that?
Park.
Park. Give me the others. Pute, you sit down. I will call you. Okay?
Okay.
Park belongs to
Place.
places. Okay. Then what's that?
Doctor.
Doctor belongs to.
Names of people.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Then paste.
Pencil.
Don't put it down. Put the paper inside your pocket or else keep it there on the table. Pencil belongs to?
Names of things.
Sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Paste if you are only sure, okay?
Pen.
Pen belongs to?
Names of things.
Sure?
Yes. Ball. Names of people.
Okay. Thank you, Binaru. Okay. Now Inosh, come. Give me those words set to the. I will jumble and give you. Okay. Remove. Read. Okay. What is this? Read the word first.
Hospital.
Hospital belongs to? Are you sure?
Yes.
Don't paste if you're not sure. What is this word? Read the word.
Camel.
Camel belongs to. Listen. Read the word louder.
Dog.
Dog belongs to what? Dog belongs to.
Names of animals.
Read the word louder.
Cinema.
Cinema belongs to.
Names of places.
Okay. What is this? Unit. Paste it again. What is this? Read it louder.
Eraser.
Then. What is that word?
Mouse.
Take the word and paste it.
Teacher.
Okay. Okay. Now come and sit. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now in your book, you should draw this chart. Can you start drawing?
Yes.
Can you start drawing?
Yes.
Okay. After drawing, you should listen. Binaru, listen. Don't do any other work. After drawing this, you should write these examples. Okay. And after that, you should write some more examples from home and come. Can you do that?
Okay.
Can or can't?
Can.
Can. Okay. Then quickly note down this. Right, quickly. Just draw it and write some like this. Draw only the example. Write on Have you finished writing?
Yes.
Finish?
No.
Put the write the example. Put a star mark like this. Like that. Put a star mark and write the example. Finish? You write? You write, you should write them all in a clear, in the same line. Straightly you should write, okay? Quickly. Finish? Have you finished?
No.
No. Okay, why are you writing the same thing again? I told you to write the topic, the name of people, this is the topic. And I told you to put a star mark and write the examples. Why have you written the same thing again?
I will understand that.
Now did you understand?
Yes.
Yes, this also. That's also wrong. Okay. Finish? Will you finish?
No.
Now you have only 3 examples here, right? Okay, listen. You have only 3 examples now
Yes.
for each category.
Yes.
Now you all have written this, okay?
Yes.
Now at home, you should write 10 examples for each of these columns. So you can 10 as your homework. You should You should write another 10. Okay? Means you have 3 here. Another 10 means altogether how much should be there? 13.
30.
Okay? 13 you should write. For each column there should be 13 words. Okay? Okay. Can you all do it, the homework and come?
Yes.
Do you all correct the book? Okay. Show me the book. Have you written?
No.
Write the example for the names of places first. Things. Doctor. How to spell doctor? Is correct?
No.
Then have you finished writing, Putha? No, hurry up. Okay. Okay. Then do the homework and count. Okay. Your homework. Write 10 nouns for each column. Okay. Show me. Finish. Show. Finish. Hurry up. You are. T-E-A means wrong. Huh? How to write, teacher? T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Okay? Okay. Then do the homework and come tomorrow. Listen. Do your homework and come tomorrow. Tomorrow I will check your books. Okay, I will check your homeworks tomorrow. Okay. God bless you, children.
God bless you, teacher. Thank you.